Do you want to use water lock mode while swimming or to prevent your watch screen from accidental touch from your kids? Well, in today's video, we'll show you how to enable and disable this feature on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. To turn on water lock, swipe down your watch face, swipe left, and then tap on this droplet icon. You can also find this option from settings on your watch, scroll down to advanced features, scroll down once again, and here, water lock. When it's turned on, a water drop will float at the side of your watch face, and the screen will be literally locked. To deactivate water lock on your watch, all you have to do is press and hold this home button for about 2 seconds to turn it off with this cute sound prompt. You might get a prompt to shake off extra water from your watch. And that's how you can turn on and off water lock on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching.